today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Chill start to our morning and lovely breakfast that we went and got.
Yeah.
And now we're going back to studios to do everything that we didn't do yesterday, so more of the smaller rides, having a look around.
Yeah, so I get my wife wet again. I mean, so we can go and have some more fun.
We've got some new decoration. Halloween Horror Nights. Started to rain, so we're going to head into the Mummy and just queue in there. Let's just get in there before it comes down, yeah?
Yeah, once it actually fully stops raining, everybody will be in there.
This is quite
We're
heavy.
out and it's poncho time. What do you think of that ride? Good. I can't see your fingers because your poncho's too big. Oh. What did you think of the ride?
It was good. It was very stop and start.
Yeah, I thought it was a simulator, but it was a roller coaster. The roller coaster part was very
Very good. That's not what I remembered at all.
I'm going to go into Transformers without Mummy. Very rainy. They're all in. So you can see where the show was last night. You can see things on the water. I'm going to go try and find somewhere to hide out the rain until they come out. I get really bad travel sickness, so I haven't gone in any 3D stuff because it's not worth me feeling ill for the rest of the day.
It was good, but very jittery and stuff.
Or was it?
One of the better 3D rides, with the glasses on and everything else. It was, but you can tell it's newer because obviously all the characters are newer, because the video is a lot better. But it is very jumpy, and you wouldn't have liked it at all. No.
It was really
It's
good
very,
because like
the car moves, the screen moves.
It felt like the Simpsons one, but better as well.
Lots of characters out. Look, you can meet Homer and Marge.
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to meet him?
If the line's really long.
It's just there. You want to or not?
The line's really long.
Just here. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants to meet Homer and Marge. Go on, Ryan. Really? Like that?
Yeah.
What did we just see?
The Bourne Express.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What went wrong?
Nothing.
The whole thing went down and the guy had to talk to us for about 10 minutes.
True.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
It's very different to any of the stunt things, like things you've seen over the years.
Oh, I've been seeing this, so we want to go to Dreamworks and we want to do the ET ride.
What?
Do the ET ride as well, don't we? We get some food first, though.
What's the ET?
There's one way out of town. An ogre makes the world his own. Friends and foes all come around in this fairy tale zone. Shrek is rocking, don't you know? With a roar he steals the show. Donkey loves the owner's glow. Magic in the mud below.
It'll melt quite quick. Yes? Let your brother have a try on the other. Oh. Got him.
Make sure you hand over properly so you don't drop it.
Yeah, no?
It's nice.
You sure your face says otherwise? Is it sour?
No, it's not that sour.
So that's a 5 out of 5, is it, dear? And lunch was a...
No, it was about a 3.
It was alright.
Yeah, it was. It's
The
trying something
gimmick
new.
over.
Yeah.
The pretzel yesterday was a lot nicer.
Yeah. It's fluffier and not as tight.
Yeah, I had to try it for the gram. This one has gone down well though. The lolly.
This is a favorite thing. Hey everybody!
Where are they? Oh, is he going in the water?
I'm not going in there.
My favourite, they've got troll ice creams.
5 minutes to wait for a roller coaster.
And then let's go Kung Fu Panda thing. Inside, is it?
Fine, help her. Go around the other.
Right, look at me.
Look at, and pull.
Pull.
Here. So they make their mouths move.
What's ET?
Space Alien.
Have you ever watched it?
No.
That upsets me. Why have you never watched it?
You've never made me watch it.
You shouldn't have to. Me and my sister used to watch this film all the time.
Okay.
The whole family watched it every year.
Okay.
Messing around.
Follow those kids. Face out.
Leah, what did you say to me on it?
It's good.
That was great.
Yeah.
What did you guys think?
I thought it was like a better Peter Pan.
Yeah, Leah said it was a better Peter Pan. Daddy? Wait, Ryan.
10 to 15 minutes.
Said it was 35, 10-minute wait. Cope with that, can't we? Right, now we're going to go find Ryan his big Simpsons donut because it's already been banging on about. This donut was massive and the kids loved it. 5 out of 5. Having a break while Thea, what have you seen over the top?
Look.
Is it? I don't know if a GoPro will pick it up. Lots and lots of fish.
And duck.
And ducks.
And there was like 4.
Oh, look, this big
look
one.
at the big fish.
Wow.
There's like 4 big fish.
Don't lean over too far though, I don't want to get you out of there. We're now off to Men in Black. Okay, change of plan. Men in Black is down, so we're going to go have a look at the Harry Potter stuff before we head over to the other park. Oh no, what's happened? We're back in London.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not in Florida anymore.
We made it back to King's Cross.
King's Cross. We spend a lot of time there.
easier, we shouldn't have to delay it.
Rain on me.
Rain.
It's still hot.
It is.
How about the Boggart story?
They used to
No,
it.
read the Boggart story and swim.
Are we putting ponchos on or? Waiting in the rain while the kids and no idea. Don't watch Harry Potter, I know. But it's a lovely theme lounge. Yeah, just showing the weather has turned again. But it's not letting us stop us.
Escape from Gringotts, and it was a very good ride. 3D, really good technical bits going on. What I would say though is if you don't like lifts, especially if they're bouncy like that, that's the fast start of it before you even get in the car. And then when you get in the car, if you're anything like me and you have big thighs or bad knees, it squashes you in that much that you squeeze your knees back together and it can feel really sore for the duration of the ride. But the ride itself is really good, so I would recommend it. Just take that into consideration if you are going to do it.
It was good because it wasn't just 3D, it was like a proper roller coaster because you went into like darkness and stuff. Yeah, and then you went down and stuff like that. So yeah, it was really fun.
You?
It was good. Would I give it about a 3 out of 5?
Let's go do it now.
But
Was it worth it?
yeah.
Yeah, see, I told you want to see it. Where are we going now?
We're going on the train to go back to the other Universal place.
So we can
And
do the
yeah.
water rides.
Yep. And then we're gonna go home. Well,
Cool.
not home, just back to the hotel.
Back to the
Bye
hotel.
bye.
I think they're London Underground.
Huh?
I think they're the London Underground.
That is true.
Let's go, bestie.
I'm your bestie? Oh, Thea.
No, I was talking to them.
Oh, rude.
We're gonna go on the train.
Gonna go on the
Yes.
train.
Yeah.
Look at all that luggage.
That's not us though, is it? I just in the hotel room. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you dumb? Are you 21? You're so dumb. Are you cool 21?
Steps? I don't do steps. Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to them.
So the only wait we had there was the walk in. Hundreds.
This is King's Cross. It's getting dark out there.
Let's find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food tray? Come on, you conjure up some pumpkin pasties.
Ron, food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gump's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about? I'm okay. Okay? That was brilliant.
Tormentors on the Hogwarts Express. Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
What? What, in the last ride?
In the Hogwarts? No, not in the last ride. In the first ride we did.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, in the first ride.
For your safety, do not raise your hand.
It's not going.
Do not lean forward.
Ryan, are you sad that it's not going?
No, I'm happy. Yeah, of course I'm sad.
We were so close, weren't we?
Look where we are.
It's just sat here. We moved lines.
Positive side. We haven't got wet when it's been raining.
Dada. Are you mad that it's not going?
It's down, so where else are you going to be?
We'll see you when it's up and running again, hopefully.
If it ever is.
If it ever will.
Are we going?
Yeah, we're finally going.
Hopefully.
Just testing. And then it's us. You excited, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it good?
Yeah,
Worth
but
the
it
wait?
only got your face.
Only got your face. You want to go get proper wet, do you?
Yeah.
Wet, wet.
Wet, wet.
Well,
What?
Is it just like you remembered?
Yeah, I always get that one confused with the one at Busch Gardens.
Oh, okay.
So where you got absolutely drenched at Busch Gardens, but yeah, that was still good.
Yeah, that's basically Splash Mountain.
Well, you're loving being a parent.
Yeah.
And go on all these rides. Kids, enjoy that?
Yeah, it's the big one wasn't even the wettest one. There was this mini one, but it went down, and the water's so high, went like that and went into your boat. It's not as wet as the rapids though.
No. See ya?
It's not as wet as the rapids. Right, finish you. This is the last ride to finish Universal.
Right, quickly down there. What are you?
Very wet.
You still enjoy it? Oh dear, you. Oh dear. So they're squelching.
Yep.
Enjoy it though?
It's gonna be like this.
Well, that's not Thea's pants, that's her cycling shorts. Yeah. So have we done in this park now?
Yeah.
Thea?
Never done it.
Yeah.
Done in Universal?
Except for Volcano Bay.
Huh?
You do all of Universal except for Volcano Bay.
Apart from?
Volcano Bay.
Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Had a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just trying my stuff out.
Just trying it out. Very wet after the rapids. They're a lot different than the Disney rapids, aren't they?
The Disney rapids don't try to get you too wet. And they're actually in a water park.
We are leaving the park now. Let's go. And we are going to get some Voodoo Doughnut.
Oh, all dressed up with nowhere to go.